Hi guys, so I have here some seasoned beef and you can check out the next clip to see what I used to marinate my beef. So adding some salt to this because I didn't add any before. And guys, today I'll be doing some stewed beef, the spicy edition. Alright, so if you can see all the pepper seeds because I used some crushed pepper in this because I want it to be spicy. Alright, so what I did, I used all the seasonings and I allowed the beef to marinate for 2 hours in the refrigerator. And now I'm just going to add it to my pot. So before I do that, I'm going to add some garlic, and I am just going to allow the garlic to burn a little before adding my beef. Alright, I like to allow the garlic to burn in the oil. This gives the oil a little flavor, or sometimes when the oil have a little smell, the garlic gets rid of that. So guys, as you might know, that beef takes a little while to cook. Yes, beef is one of those meats that is not easily cooked. Alright, so what I'm going to do with this, I will be placing it in a pressure cooker for it to get tender. But before I do that, I always like to just saute my meat a little bit before I place it in the pressure cooker. Alright, so allow it to get some flavor and nice color before I put it in the pressure. Alright, so I'm just going to just let it sit here, and then I come back and check on it and show you guys what it is looking like. Alright, and guys, I am not going to cover it just yet. I'm just allowing it to go and simmer down. Alright, so after a few minutes, this is what it is looking like. I am just adding some water to it, and I am going to give it another 5 minutes or so, and then I transfer it to the pressure cooker. So I'm going to just cover it and leave it for 5 minutes, and then we'll check back on it. Alright, so guys, here it is now in the pressure pot, and I am going to allow it to pressure for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, here is our beef, all nice and tender. Yes, I'm just going to test it and let you see. Nice and tender. Just want to get a whole of a piece. Yes. It is very tender, and it's now time for me to switch it over to the original pot where I am going to add my seasonings. So it's now in the next pot, and I am just going to add some vegetables and seasonings to it to flavor out the pot some more. So I am adding my carrots and Irish. I have scallion there. I have some sweet pepper, onion, garlic, hot pepper. Remember I said we want it spicy, right? So I added some Scotch bonnet pepper, all cut up nicely, right? I have my thyme in it, and I am just going to allow this to simmer down. Yes, I'm going to allow it to simmer down so that the Irish and the carrot can cook and we can get the flavor from the rest of the seasonings. So I am going to cover it for a few minutes and we'll come right back and check on it. Alright? It is smelling lovely. I can't wait to taste. If you're not subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified when I release a next video. And we are back, and guys, now it's time for me to add some Maggi seasoning, Maggi all purpose, to flavor up my beef some more. I am also going to add a little ketchup, to help with the gravy. Yes. So I'm not a ketchup lover, so I'm not going to add a lot. Just going to add just enough so it can thicken the gravy a little more. Yeah. So that should be enough. And here is what our spicy stew beef looks like, and it is almost ready to turn off. See, we have nice gravy coming on here, and it's looking good, it is smelling good. I know it will taste great. Here we have it, our stewed beef all ready and done. Guys, please remember to like this video, leave a comment down below so I know you were here, and if you're new, please subscribe.